Jeyalakshmi. I am working as a biomedical engineer in Aravind Hospital, Madurai. Now I am going to give you a brief presentation about ultrasound A scan and B scan. First, let us see the ultrasound A scan and B scan. A refers to the amplitude scan. B refers to brightness scan. The both scans are non-invasive and diagnostic measurement tool. First, let us see the A scan machine. Use of A scan. A scan is used to measure the axial length of the eye, which is the one of the essential parameter to determine the power of the IOL for the cataract surgery. Parts of A scan. Console. It is an interfacing unit to control the working of the A scan machine. Probe. This is very important part of the A scan machine. It is transmit and receive the ultrasound waves. It has the LED for fixation purpose. Test block. It is checking the calibration. It's important to ensure the accuracy of the measurement prior to start the OP every day. Touch screen. It is very sensitive device. It is initiate the scanning procedure. Foot switch, which can be access the measurement. Let us see the working principle of behind the ultrasound AB scan. Now, by the name, you can understand under the principle of ultrasound waves. What is the ultrasound waves? Ultrasound waves is the frequency beam of sound wave. It can be travel the frequency of about 20 kilohertz. Frequency used in A scan machine 10 megahertz. In B scan machine 20 megahertz. Usually the bats use the ultrasound to navigate in the darkness and also detect the prey. Next, let us see the structure of the A scan probe. The surface of the A scan probe covered by the sound insulated plastic. The piezoelectric crystal placed at the tip of the probe. It has two electrodes for send and receive the sound waves. This plastic window protects the crystal from the mechanical shock. So next, let us see how to measure the axial length by measure the A scan machine. Usually the user can use the probe in two different methods. One is immersion method and another one is non-immersion method. The non-immersion method, the probe directly touches the cornea. So there is more chance to uplink the cornea so that reading may be wrong. In the immersion method, here no direct contact between probe and cornea. Here the probe connect with this pressure cell filled with oral solution so that reading may be reliable. The A scan probe transmits the thin beam of ultrasound waves and the echo bounces back to the probe tip. The sound waves strikes the interfaces. On the interfaces, the junction is two different density and velocities. The sound waves travels one medium of density to another. The echoes produced at the interfaces. These echoes are received by the probe and sent to the console. There are 5 interfaces in the human. That is cornea, anterior surface of the lens and posterior surface of the lens and retina sclera. The A scan gives one-dimensional output. So there are 5 spikes. The first 4 of them is very prominent. Next, we move on to the B scan. B scan is a diagnostic tool which gives two-dimensional output of cross-sectional view of the eye. It is mostly used to posterior examine the posterior segment. It is when the direct visualization too difficult or impossible in the slit lamp using the slit lamp or indirect ophthalmoscope. For the example, the patient who has dense cataract or cloudy media, by using slit lamp or indirect, this is not possible. The B scan used to variety of diagnostic like retinal detachment and other cloudy media and any other foreign body inside the eye. parts of B scan machine. It is like similar to like a scan machine. It also has the console, probe. Some brands are use the PC or laptop by uploading the software and integrating the probe. So next, this is the output of B scan. So the first one is the normal patient output. Then second one is defective of the retinal detachment. So next, let us see the sonomet touchscreen calibration procedure. Few times touch the word of sonomet in the display. That in the display, enter the calibration page, select the touch test, then press the center of the plus as shown on the display. Do the same for the other plus marks coming followed. Press done. Now the touch screen calibration procedure is over. So next we see the care and maintenance of A scan and B scan. Checking calibration is the one of the basic care and maintenance of the A scan machine. Keep the A scan machine scanning mode. Apply the gel on the test block. Place the probe on it. Now the probe measuring and it show the length of test block. If it is in the tolerance value, the display shows calibration confirmed. If it is otherwise, we need to do the service. Handle the probe gently while connecting or removing from the machine. Don't use any solution to clean the display. Use only soft dry cloth. Use the appropriate pen to touch the touch screen. Always wind the cable. Do like this. Don't do like this. When the probe is not in use, cover the probe tip. The B-scan probe has the oil for cooling purpose. So if you find any oil leakage in the B-scan probe, don't use further. We are avoiding more damage. So when the not in use, keep the machine covered. Next, let us see the basic some common problems and their solution in the ultrasound AB scan. If the console is not working, maybe the block is not connected properly or adapter having problem. If the connector not properly, remove and reconnect it, and also check the voltage of the adapter using the multimeter. If it is not, replace with the same rate. Sometimes the switch is off position, press the switch to on. In case the switches may not be worked properly, replace the switch with same model. Sometimes the output connector of the adapter may not be connected properly, or the connector in the instrument may not be good. Connect it the output connector properly and replace the connector in the instrument. The second one is touch screen is not working. Maybe the touch screen sensation may not good. Do the touch screen calibration. And the third one is no display. Maybe the loose connection in the display. Open the console and reconnect the display connectors properly. After that reconnecting, no display. Maybe the problem with display. So we replace it. This issue only fixed by a technician. The fourth one is software issue. If more data images in the database, it giving hanging like this. So archiving has to be done. If the system is not shut down correctly, one of the database may be corrupted. So the corrupted database delete and reinstall the database. The fifth one is no image. The console is working, but display has no image. Maybe the probe may not connect to the properly. So they connect the probe properly. After that, no images. Maybe problem with cables or probe. You have the cable. First you replace the cable. Then After that, you get the same, maybe the fault in the probe. So get the help from the supplier.